In this installment of Tech Tip Tuesday, I'm going to show you how to create a hyperlink. As you can tell, introduce students to Chromebooks and 10 keyboard shortcuts are both hyperlinks. There are quite a few times when you might find that you need to create a hyperlink. For example, if you are maybe creating a digital newsletter and you want to link to a different website or a document or something like that, you need to know how to create a hyperlink. If you are working on your Google site, your Google Classroom site, and you have the need to link to something, it's a very helpful thing to know how to do. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to link to a Chrome tutorial, and these are the words that I want to hyperlink. So I cheated and I have a Chrome tutorial open. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click once in the address bar, and that actually highlights it. A lot of people try to go to the very end and grab all the text. There's no need to do that. Simply click in there once, it highlights it, and then Control C or Command C, depending on what kind of machine you're on, will copy it for you. And then I'm going to highlight the words that I want hyperlinked. So in this case, it's Chrome tutorial. And then again, depending on what you're working on, there is usually a linking button that looks something like this. It's kind of like a chain. Um, Moodle calls it something a little bit different. If you're working in the Google site, it might look a little bit different. Just depending on what you are editing, it's going to look a little bit different, but it does the same thing. It helps you, it allows you to insert a link. So I'm going to click on the link and I'm going to paste my link in there and click apply. And what that does is it allows anybody who's viewing the stock to just come in here and click on the tutorial and then launch into that page. This keeps you from having something that looks like this. And you actually could hyperlink that if you wanted to, but actually creating a hyperlink to words makes things look a lot better than just simply copying and pasting a web address. So I hope you found this useful, and I hope to see some of your nice, pretty hyperlinks very soon.